have a hands-down conversation in a moment about our ideas, but I want to tell you about something that we're going to try out today with our talk that you probably have already been trying out in your class of mathematicians and readers and writers. So we're going to be talking about our reasoning, and that's kind of just a big word for telling why you're going to say something. We're going to say an idea and tell our friends why we think that, because that will help us understand each other's thinking and be able to build on each other's thinking. So here's how that might work. First, you're going to be thinking about your own idea. Here's your brain. It's having an idea about what you think about which is more, the penny collection or the die collection.
Yeah.
And then you're going to think about your idea, and you're going to think about why you thought that. And it might sound like this. There's lots of ways that it could sound, but it might sound like this when you say it. You might say, I think, and which one you think is more, since that's what we're talking about. And then you might say, because, and tell us about your why. Or it might sound like this. You might say, I noticed
That, ...
Right? Because I heard a lot of you noticing some interesting details about this picture. So I'm thinking something, and that might be about your why. Those are two different ways that you might talk about reasoning. And there's other ways too that you'll come up with as you talk. I think, because, or I noticed something, so I'm thinking. Let's try that out today when we're having our hands down conversation about which you think is more, the penny collection or the dime